Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Install a reliable barcode scanner app on your phone and the matching PC client if the app requires one. Once done, make sure your phone and computer share the same Wi-Fi network or connect the phone via USB tethering for stable transfer. You also enable camera permissions and, on the PC, allow the client through any firewall. This gets you into the first actionable state, so scanning can stream data into the computer immediately. You now configure the app to send scan codes to the PC. Open the phone app and choose the connection mode, virtual keyboard, clipboard push, or client server. Then run the PC client and pair devices using the displayed QR code or pairing code. This is why pairing matters. It routes data to the correct window. Once paired, set the output format, enter, tab, or custom delimiter, and test by scanning one barcode so you confirm the scanned value appears where you expect. You finish by positioning the cursor in the target PC application and scanning several barcodes to validate workflow. If you need continuous scanning, enable auto submit or add a suffix like enter. Make sure camera focus and lighting are good so reads are fast, and tweak delimiter or barcode type settings for proper parsing. If something goes wrong, check Wi-Fi or USB, confirm app permissions and firewall rules, and repair the devices. That single troubleshooting step fixes most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.